What's up, guys? Your boy 82. It's your first time in this channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. How you guys doing today? Just a quick one. A lot of people are having a lot of issues with the QR code for the MileSight UG65. I have a fix for that, and it's really easy. What you're gonna do is, if you get a chance, check out MileSight on the Discord channel and go to the release notes or the announcement. There it will explain to you the latest firmware. You need to download the latest firmware in order to fix this issue that people are experiencing with the QR code not loading. So the first thing is the latest firmware is the 61.0.0.37 release. What's better? Says number one, added new Helium sections, which includes sync status, fast sync, onboarding tab, Helium operation tab, and another new number two is it changed default snapshot servers from the Helium to MileSight server, which will bring quite timely snapshots. Added network detection before generating QR code onboarding. A random root password will be generated for each UG6 series hotspot after the upgrade. So this is really big. So the fix on this new firmware is gonna be the reboot. The bugs that were fixed, more or less, is the reboot may change the Wi-Fi mode from client to API mode. When there's space characters in Wi-Fi SSID, or the WWAN is set on static IP, and also fixes the wrong TX frequency. Also cannot save the default frequency at the AS923 RU86. These are all the different frequencies for the different countries. So there's a lot of fixes, a lot of bugs fixed from this new firmware. So that's your best bet. In order for you to fix that issue, please upgrade to the new firmware, and that will eliminate the issue of the onboarding. So if you just received your MileSight for the first time, make sure you log in with your MileSight, download the firmware from this link below. I also will have the link below on the description, so you can just click on it to download it. Upload, upgrade the firmware, and once that's upgraded, that will eliminate all the issues that you will have, and then you can smoothly onboard your Helium miner and start making those Helium tokens, man. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. All right. So without further ado, I'm pretty much done. That was a quick one, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe, share with a friend, and have another friend share with a friend, and let's spread the wealth. All right. Stress less, stay positive. Yeah. Peace.